The Addiction Resource Center is a new program at the Addiction Policy Forum to help families in crisis. We have an online patient portal that has real information about the disease of addiction. You can take an assessment online, print it out, take it to your healthcare provider, make a change plan for yourself at home. And it also has a resource line, a toll-free phone number where when you call someone when you're in crisis or you're worried about a loved one, you can speak to trained clinicians that can help you navigate this illness. So a little bit about the impetus for this. So I have 3 sons, and I have called Poison Control 11 times. Which might seem excessive, but boys put really stupid things in their mouths, like anything. I've had everything from sort of the Vicks vapor rub that goes in the humidifier when they had a cough, to the last time I called when my youngest Tyler was a toddler. He had bit into one of those glow-in-the-dark glow sticks that you have. So he had this like yellow glow-in-the-dark liquid like streaming down his face and in his mouth, sort of like a fluorescent vampire. And I was, I'm a mom and I'm freaked out and worried, is this toxic? And I called the Poison Control for my 11th time. And immediately, an amazing woman, a nurse, whatever her training was, answered. This wasn't toxic. I didn't need to run to the emergency room. She called and followed up the next day. And this is a resource that I used 11 times as a worried mom when my kids ate or came in contact with something that worried me. Where's our phone number to call when you are worried about your mother or your father or your sister or your brother or your child who is struggling? Where's the call in the middle of the night with the follow-up call and the real licensed clinician that does not have a financial stake in what they're telling you? Like, we are so often, when our families are in crisis and Googling and on the phone at 2 o'clock in the morning, they're more likely to be taken advantage of by patient brokers and bad actors than they are to find someone who is knowledgeable and skilled and trained to help that person in their time of crisis. So we've been waiting around for a long time for things to change, and we were tired of waiting, so we just built it ourselves. So that's what the Addiction Resource Center is. It is licensed clinical social workers, peer recovery specialists, trained clinical supervisors that can take that phone call in the middle of the night, in the middle of the day, to follow up and provide unbiased advice and support and follow-up care. It does not have financial wins that come in for one particular treatment center, but just the real support that families need when they're having their worst day they can imagine. Anyone can reach out to the Addiction Resource Center and visit addictionresourcecenter.org or call 1-833-301-HELP.